John Hilsenrath is chief economic correspondent for the Wall Street Journal. He has covered Ben Bernanke and the Fed extensively. John, good morning.
Good morning, Nora.
Let's talk about today first. Do you expect the volatility to continue?
Well, we had some good signs overnight in markets in Asia and Europe. It looks like things stabilized, so maybe the market will come to its senses today. If you look carefully at what Bernanke said the other day, he said he's going to pull back this stimulus very carefully, and it's conditional on the economy continuing to improve. So maybe the markets will settle down today. We'll have to see.
John, that's what I wanted to get at. I mean, Bernanke was extremely careful in saying what he was going to do and how careful the Fed was going to be. And the markets have known this was coming. So why do you think they're so skittish right now?
Well, it's the markets are kind of like a drug addict being told that he might not get his medication. They're breaking out into cold sweats. But I think as people digest what's happening here, they might settle down. As you just said, the Fed said this is all pulling back is all conditional on the economy continuing to improve. So stock market investors ought to be pricing in the possibility of more profits, better economic conditions, in addition to less stimulus from the Fed.
John, how much of this do you think is also some nervousness about what looks like it's going to be the end of Ben Bernanke's term at the end of this year? Do you think the markets are actually worried about this transition if it happens?
I think that is a piece of it, because the Fed, it's done a lot with this economy, and now they're starting to talk about pulling back. So it's going through a transition on monetary policy. And what we're talking about is at some point in the next year, a new person running the pump of monetary policy. Well, nobody knows what this person is going to do. Are they going to be more aggressive, less aggressive? So that's a new element of uncertainty that I think is nagging at people.
John Hilsenrath, thanks.